guys, this is Sandra. I'm one of the directors with Visiting Angels of Central Georgia, and I wanted to talk to you today about staying safe on Halloween night. I am dressed up as fall, but I don't want you to fall for the tricks on Halloween night. It's only a week away. I know so many of you are excited to dress up and wear the costumes, hand out candy, see your neighbors, but I don't want you to fall for some of the Halloween tricks, okay? All right, so here at Visiting Angels, we want everyone to stay safe on Halloween. Whether you are home alone or with your family, here are a couple of things you can do to stay safe, okay? All right, so number one, we don't want anyone to be alone handing out candy on Halloween night. I know some of you want to be the martyr and say, okay, well, some of you go out with the kids, I'll stay home, I'll be fine, I'll hand it out until it's all gone. Well, that's not great because it gives the assumption that you live alone. Okay, and that's not always the safest concept for people to have when they come to your house. So you want to buddy up, make sure that you do it together, have somebody there with you. Now you can hire a Visiting Angels Halloween helper for that night, or you can just buddy up with a neighbor. Okay, all right, the second tip is that we don't want anyone to fall for Halloween. Okay, so make sure there's large walkways for people to come up and down your steps or your front porch so that nobody's falling. You've got a lot of costumes, a lot of capes and boots and little princess high heels, and you just don't want anyone to fall, including you. So make sure walkways are very wide open, that nobody's gonna trip. Okay. The other thing is we don't want you to get burned on Halloween. Okay. So we want it to be, everything needs to be well lit, lots of lights. That's totally fine, but no real candles. Okay. The old school is we have our jack-o'-lanterns with the candles in them, and they're really pretty. But you can get the electric candles just at Walmart or Target or Publix, Kroger, and get the electric candles, okay? Because those are much safer and you can turn them off with a little switch, okay? All right, the other thing is when you are out of candy and you just want to turn all the lights off, it can also give the appearance that nobody's home. And that may not be safe on Halloween night. So what you want to do is leave all the lights on and just put up a sign that says, sorry, I ate all my candy, or something fun like that. Sorry, out of candy. Happy Halloween, okay? Or you can do what my grandmother might do and start handing out toothbrushes, math problems, dental floss, things like that. Maybe an undershirt. Here you go. Stay warm, okay? All right, well, we want you guys to be safe and have fun, but don't fall for any tricks on Halloween night. Thanks for Visiting Angels.